Hey guys, this is how to hold or close eToro trades. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss on how to do this, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So first, I'm gonna show you how to close a trade. So guys, first just simply go to your portfolio. You can click it in the left hand menu or directly from the eToro account homepage. And now once you are on your profile, just simply click on the relevant instrument to view the breakdown of the individual positions that you have. And from there, guys, you should be able to see their cell next to the position you want to close. Or if you don't have, you can just simply click on the three dots, the position, and you should be able to see their close. And from there, guys, a pop-up will show up and just simply click on sell at the bottom to finalize the action. And guys, additional tip here, the best strategy on winning trades, just simply lower your risk. So guys, reducing risk ensure that you won't face any major losses if you hold positions for weeks. And guys, just simply decide when to sell depending on your investment strategy, risk tolerance, and time horizon, and your financial goals. And there you go. See ya. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.